Okay, so hello and welcome to day two. So in day one, what we have done is that we have found out your topic. That is, we have finalized your topic. You have decided what is best for you and what is going to be your identity for the next 6 months to 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. That is, you are going to be a known person in your niche, the go-to person of your niche, and that is your intention right now. Even if you have not reached there, that should be the mindset that you must be the go-to person of your niche. Okay, so with that mindset, let us start the training for day two. So what we have done is that let us go back to the title that we have generated. For your case it might be different, but for the training I am using this. That is, in the day one we have created this particular training. Excuse me. Okay, so just copy this entire thing, that is the title, and the chapter, that is the table of contents. Okay, so just copy it and come back here, and this is the this is the GPT which we will be using. This is AI, and we have trained it everything from the hooks to the successfully working ads, and what type of images should be generated, and the sequence of prompts. Everything is fed into this particular AI, and whatever the output you will get, that will help you in generating sales. Okay, so right now we will be generating the content, and tomorrow we will see how to set up those in your Facebook account, that is the ads manager. Okay, so today let us start and generate the content. So click here, that is, you need to enter the password. So just note down the password. The password right now is MISALES, my sales. Okay, and just enter the password. Okay, so here also first thing you need to do is that what should I call you? So you should give your name. Just enter your name. Okay, so now to build marketing angles, hooks, contents, and ad strategies for your business, please send, that is, whichever product or service that you're trying to sell, or the sales copy you can directly paste here. For example, suppose you have a website or you are doing some affiliate marketing, then you can directly copy paste the content of the vendor's page. That is, you can go directly to say your Warrior Plus affiliate pages, or the say Clickbank, or the Digistore 24, means any of the affiliate pages which you want to promote. Go to the vendor's page or the website, copy the content, and you can paste it here if you are doing affiliate marketing. Or you can even give the website link, that is, you can give your website link, your affiliate link, and it will pull the content from there if the permission is there. Okay, so what you need to do is that for this purpose what we are doing is that we have copied the entire content, that is the table of contents, along with the chapter name. So just go here and type I am promoting this ebook. Okay, then just paste the content, that is the PDF name and table of content. Okay, so for busy professionals, these are the hooks. Hooks will come under 5 categories, say facts and figures, controversy, then fun hooks, story, testimonial, and curiosity hooks. So out of these 15 hooks, that is, for each of the category 3 hooks are there. So out of the 15 hooks, just select 3 hooks, and we will go to the next step. For example, facts and figures. Most professionals lose up to 2 productive hours daily due to low energy caused by poor nutrition and excess weight. Just 15 minutes a day equals over 91 hours of health focused action every year. Study shows consistency beat extreme diets for a sustainable fat loss. Okay, so you have to just select 3 of these topics, and I will show you what to do next. For example, meal plans aren't failing you, complexity is. That is, weight loss should be simple, it should not be complicated. Most people who start weight loss program or gym, they give up in between, and they think a lot of exterior reasons is there. But what happens is that this is meal plans is not the main cause of problem. The complexity of the plan, complexity to arrange the items for the food, and the complexity of execution, that is get up at time, go to gym, do this exercise, etc., that is not working because it is too complex. Okay, so the whole idea is to select one hook, then go to the next step. See, selected hook, meal plans aren't failing, complexity is. Now what would you like to do? We will go for paid ads. Okay, now this I will explain sometime later. That is, where do you want to send your traffic? That is to pre-sale offer or to direct to the offer. For example, in pre-sale report, what happens is that it, this software, that is this AI software, this will generate a pre-sale report which you can give for free. So if you are giving for things for free, people will come to that. So that will act as a lead magnet, and from inside the pre-sale report, it will be linked to the main offer or the main offer which you are promoting. This pre-sale report, it works nicely if you are doing affiliate marketing for say affiliate, say Vario Plus, ClickBank, JVju, Digistore 24. If you are doing things for affiliate marketing, then that works well. But for here, you are doing this, you can send directly to the offer. Just type here direct to offer. Okay, so primary headline options, then primary ad copy, then version 2, then these are image concepts. Okay, see, your case it might be different. Here it is asking three options, which image would you like to generate, 1, 2 or 3. You just have to read what is the output that shows to you and just act accordingly. I'll just write just generate for 1. That is, it is given 3 options and it is asking which would you like to generate. So I'm giving option as 1 and give. It is asking for 9:16, that is case of reels, but we will use this square image because that works for most of the places when you run ads. Okay, just wait for some time, it will be generated. Okay, so let us recap of the things which we have done. We have copied the things. In starting, we have just entered our name. Then after entering the name, what we have written is that I am promoting the book, and we have pasted everything that was generated from the previous AI. And then after you enter the everything, that is table of contents, etc., it will give you total 15 hooks under 5 categories. That is 3 hooks for each of the category. Just select any of the hook, and then that is just paste the hook and execute it, and you will get everything. Then select what you want to do. For example, paid ads, organic will cover in different video, there is different training. Here I have given paid ads. Okay, next it gives everything. For example, headline options, then your text options, everything is here. Okay, let us see if the image is generated. Yes, meal plans aren't failing you, complexity is. Okay, now check bio, and it has also given a the mock-up, that is mock-up of the book. Okay, it's also showing too complicated, and here it is simple. Now for this, so just save this image, and what else do you need? Just a minute. Yes, you need this heading and this description. Okay, no, not this one. It's this one. These are the headline options, and this is version 1. That is, copy this, add text. Okay, just one notepad. copy this headlines and this text. So for one, that is you have generated the primary text, then this is your headline, and there is image. So you need three sets of primary text, that is primary text, headline and image. You need three combinations, and then you can start running ads. So that what we did was we generated for say hook 1. Now I will select another hook and you do it similarly for 2 to 3. Okay, so your coffee gets more daily attention than your health. Let's fix that. Imagine losing weight faster than your inbox fills up on Monday morning. Okay, now this you can take. One busy professional stopped work trying to be perfect and finally started seeing results. Let me take this. Then go to the same place where you have pasted this last hook and paste the new one and click send. Now it will generate everything for the new hook. Okay, so here is the selected new hook. Now again give here organic and paid. So give here paid ads. Again direct to offer. Okay, so again you have got your primary hook and this core message. That is, this is the long form of ad. You have this primary text plus headlines, description, everything is there. Now again what you can do is see for running ad, what you need is you need headline, you need primary text, and you need image. So that is what we are doing. You need three sets, and this I am doing for say second one, and do the similar thing, that is select another hook and go and replace that and execute these things again, and you will have three combinations of headline, primary text and image. Now we will take these three sets, then we will go to the ads manager tomorrow, and I will show you how to easily do the setup. The setup will not take much time. So this thinking of the hooks and creating images and creating this content, this takes maximum time. So after you are done with this, just save that in a folder, and tomorrow, that is on the day 3, we will see how to set up your ads and start running it, and that will result in inquiries. Then on 4th day of training, I will show you how to deal with the inquiry and how to close the call. So you should be getting sales, that is, if you are consistent, you should be getting sales within 5 to 7 days maximum. Okay, so this is generated. Now save this image, that is whatever image you get. Now this is the ad copy. You will just go through this, this particular My Guaranteed Sales Coach, this AI, just play with it for some time, and you will get an idea of what to use, that is how to use it and how to generate content for your ads. I am using it almost every day to get results. Now it's your turn, go ahead. Right now we are focusing on the paid ads. In the next training, or after the training is completed, that is after you have started getting sales, I will also tell you how to do your organic marketing, because this is a complete program, that is My Guaranteed Sales Coach. It's a complete software which will help you get guaranteed sales, and that is why we have kept the name such. Okay, so watch this training again. Go ahead and generate 3 sets of headline, primary text and images. Make sure to write that generate square images, because that is what we need. Okay, so that's all for this video, and bye for now. See you tomorrow.